It was a watch day. You smell me? Don't pay attention to these on my
statues on me.
Y'all can see shit.
I got bait.
Come on, brother.
We got bait. A whole bit. We got bait.
Brother said if it's a wheel, it's a way. Smell me? Let me get all these. Now, for the people who don't know, and y'all probably won't know for a while, welcome to the Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo. Welcome to the fucking Monte Carlo, nigga.
Wait, you got that extension cord plugged in? Plug the extension cord into the house.
She was indeed dirty.
Yeah, look at this dirty. Oh damn, the trunk. Hey, that shit was about to be wet as fuck.
That's fuck. Look at all that filth.
She most definitely needed this.
Most definitely. She like. Wash day. They're probably like, boy,
It's at 85 money.
I mean 81 money. Wash day. They probably like, boy, you need a camera crew. I wish. We ain't that rich yet, boys. We're not rich yet, boys. Now they get to shaking their head at you and shit.
Hey, brother. What I do need you to do is,
Damn.
unscrew this.
Now, if y'all see that bit now, bruh, this is wash day number 1. She look way better. Is that Mr. T? It was a wash day. You smell me? Don't pay attention. I just threw these on to come outside real quick, smell me. But as y'all can see, she look way better than before. We lit. Come on, bro. Let's do a quick 360.
Hold on, let me get y'all the
Get
y'all the little Betty Boo. Ooh.
Okay, brother.
Y'all the Betty Boo. Yeah, y'all don't know nothing about. Ooh, y'all don't know nothing about that camera quality like that, boy. Yeah, y'all baby, look at this ain't in slow motion. This motherfucker be bad in slow motion. Go ahead and get that. Ooh, y'all see her. Y'all see her, miss. Ooh, that's a bad bitch. Oh, don't get the license plate. Even though it don't matter.
That sums it up. That's about it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I don't even know what this video is. But as y'all can see, we took all the chrome pieces off. So I'm gonna just say that, guess what? This video is us washing the car down. Y'all didn't really get to see. But as y'all see the finish, we took all the chrome pieces off because they wasn't there the last time. More shit to do, more shit to finish. It's a new build. I realized that this is not as expensive as they think. Maybe because I've been getting a little bit more money than usual. But bless God.
Amen.
Amen.
And we out.